Scott Gauchkowski with Lurvey Home and Garden here in Des Plaines. We just wanted to talk to you today about our curbside pickup and delivery options that we started offering this week. Unfortunately, we're not able to let customers in the store at this time, but we are here to help you. We have an online store now at lurveys.shop. If you don't find what you're looking for there, please call in 847-824-7411. Just bear with us, the phones have been busy. You can also email us at info@lurveys.com. The curbside has been working out great. As you can see, we have some orders staged here. Literally, you're gonna pull up, you're gonna call in, and we're gonna bring it right out to your car for you. So here we are at the two curbside pickup locations right out in front of the store facing Dempster. Really simple. You would pull into a spot, you would call the number, and give us your name, and we will bring your order right out to you. Other things that we are offering, we are doing virtual landscape consultations. Our landscape designers are still working. We do have a new RX Plant Doctor tool on our website, and we have many online resources that you can also utilize while we're all at home at this time. The curbside pickup and phone hours are Monday through Saturday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So as you can see, we are starting to get in seasonal color product. Again, we are here to help you. Unfortunately, you can't come into the store at this time, but we are continuing to add things to lurveys.shop. We can help you over the phone, 847-824-7411, or info@lurveys.com. We're here to help. Please bear with us on the phone as we've been getting a lot of calls, and we'd love to help you out. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and on our YouTube channel. Thank you again, and we look forward to serving you.